Hello guys, I got my first drone, so I will open the package with you and let's check it out. Now I'm gonna show you how I set up the entire FPV kit, radio, drone and goggles from start to finish. First of all, you need to go to the RadioMaster website for the T8 Lite. Then, as you'll see in the video, you just need to press those two buttons together to connect to the site. Once you are connected, go into the configuration menu. Go to RF settings and select enable Wi-Fi. Then hit start. Now it will show up on your phone. You need to go on your Wi-Fi settings and connect to that network. Once you are connected, you will find everything you need to do there. In the binding phrase section, you need to choose your own password. You will need this for the drone too, so remember it. Now I'll show you how to connect the drone. You'll need this cable, which comes included with the drone. Connect the cable to your PC and wait about a minute until it starts blinking like this. Then, just like before, go and look for the drone's Wi-Fi network. Enter the password and choose the same binding phrase as before. Once you have done that, it's safe. If everything went well, the drone will show a solid green light. Now we'll set up the drone. You need to go to the Betaflight website and click on the top left to see if the drone is recognized by the site. Pick it up and try moving it. And if it also moves in the web app, that means everything is working fine. Then go to PID tuning and choose the rates you are most comfortable with. I'd recommend looking them up online. After that, go to receiver and check that all the inputs match up correctly. Finally, go to modes and set up the controller commands however you like best. Then just hit save. Now I'll show you a video of me flying it for the first time.